You see that? Don't lick it.
Ugh.
Okay, look in there. Look right in there. See those leaves?
Yeah.
I don't want those leaves in there. That's the intake for the engine. Look at this. I don't know if that's actually the air box. I need my tools. Where are my tools? But actually, I don't know where the intake is to this engine. There it is right here. I guess it's not this box. Oh, here's the vent filter. I'm going to have to study on that. But anyway, I'm going to take that off and glue some screen in there. I actually don't know how to get to the air filter on this car, which is embarrassing. Here's the air intake for the engine through here. And it goes to this canister right here. Here's the air canister, and then this goes to the intake manifold back here. This is cabin air, but I still don't like all that debris getting in there. It's always awkward to do a screw upside down because you're going the opposite direction. You have to think about it. Okay, righty tighty, lefty loosey, upside downy, inversey.
Oh, yeah.
So my thought is to put something like, look at that, it's almost perfect. I'm gonna have to trim it.
So it's like the leafless gutter covers.
Yeah, exactly. This is my template.
Now, are you sure? Why don't you put that up in there and make sure it fits right?
No,
Just do me a favor and just set it up there and see if it matches.
it's measure once, cuss twice. You want to do this, don't you? You're saying, oh, he's doing it wrong. Let me just give
It
me
would
that.
be fun to do it. Those are good snips. I want those. Those will cut through anything.
You keep out of my toolbox. Once you use these, I will never see them again.
I know better than not to return your tools. Experience the wrath of Roger.
You can borrow anything I own, anything and everything, but you have to return it.
When I borrow something from him, I let him know I've borrowed it so that if he goes looking for it and it's not there, which he will, even if he hasn't used it in 6 months, when I borrow it, he's going to use it or need it. So I make sure, okay, if you can't find your whatevers, I've got them, but I'm using them. He's a tool tyrant. How about that? Insert insert generic tyrant into this phrase. He does have the best tools.
I'm tired. I'm going to go do Facebook for a while. Here's where you reveal that you found a 4-door Bronco hardtop for sale in Cactus Gray, and you bought it for me, and it's going to be delivered tomorrow.
I wish. Only if I'd paid $10,000 over sticker or more.
10? Lucky.
How much was that one over
That was
sticker?
50. It was 50K
$50,000
over
sticker.
at the local dealer. And it's
gone.
gone. I don't know where it is.
Somebody paid that stupid amount. You need to do a little jig or something while you're snipping your tin.
There's so much material there. I'm going to spare you. Do a little jig while you're snipping your tin. That'd be some great song lyrics.
All right, time for the cussing.
Oh no! You're pretty darn close.
Perfect.
That part needs to be trimmed a bit.
Looks really good.
What? Didn't film it? Roger, do it all over again. Where's my dang hammer?
Now, how are you going to attach it?
I think I bought some sealant. Where is that? Oh, there it is behind you on the ground. Exterior. I wonder how hot this gets. I think I need some better glue. Here's the part of the video where Roger goes, I need some high temp adhesive that is removable. I don't want something really permanent.
You want to know what my solution would have been?
What?
A cover that goes on the outside that's magnetic, that every time you get out of the car or you park it, you just put this cover on the hood.
And you just pull that off.
And you pull
I
it
thought
off.
about that. Because we know that some leaves are going to get wedged in there.
Oh, yeah.
And you're going to be digging them out. You'll be digging them out.
Me?
You'll be driving you crazy. No, they'll drive me crazy.
I think I can outweight you on that.
Yeah, you probably can.
And so there are things I can outweight Roger on, and there are things he can outweight
The
me
one
on.
with the highest type A personality coefficient has to get up first.
That's a lot of complex words. Well, it depends on what it is. If it's bothering me, then I'm the one who's going to get up first. If it's bothering you, you're the one who's going to deal with it first.
We could just go to dinner.
So what are you going to do?
I need to think about it.
Is it a problem that really needs to be fixed?
It's less than when I started. But I hate to go ahead and decide something's a problem and start to fix it and then bail
And then
off.
decide it's not a problem.
Just
You'd rather
because Margo
continue.
said, cover it up with trim. Well, I'm going to put it back on and we'll think about it.
We seem to be doing a lot of projects that just really
They
aren't
just go
working
nowhere.
out.
They go nowhere.
Here, I'll hand these to you.
Oh, that's too easy. I need to struggle. Okay, thanks for visiting us on another episode of V000. Don't shake your head.
We actually had a comment that someone likes the name of your van.
I know. You can't get any, all the van names are taken. But I don't think any of them have V0001. I'm going to try to get the license plate. Wonder if that's taken.
I doubt it.